Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in Las Rojales, a beautiful, charming town, coastal town located here in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you a new urbanisation. It comprises of 9 villas. They have recently sold 6 and there are currently 3 left. This is a modern, comfort, great to close amenities type of villa feel. It's beautiful. And so the villas themselves are on a plot of 381 square metres. The actual villa itself, 136 square metres. It offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is distributed on 2 floors with a solarium. So let's begin the tour. Hello. So as I come in through the pedestrian entrance, you can see that this would be the parking space also, which is conveniently located just a little bit lower than the rest of the home. This is your electric gates here that would allow you a comfortable entry with your vehicle. And as you can see, this is a very spacious carport that you could even have roofed if you would like it. As you then come up the steps, you can see that this is a very modern and contemporary feel of a home. The outside here shows, along with the actual architectural structure, the type of contemporary feel they decided to go for with a monochromatic palette. What I also like is they've incorporated large paved stone flooring that is what is your terraces. These terraces are great for you to do the outdoor lounging, sunbathing and also dining. This is the roofed area underneath, which would be perfect if you're wanting to have dining in the shade, but all of it overlooks this lovely swimming pool. Altogether, this terrace area comprises of over 40 square metres, and then you do also have the swimming pool, which is rectangular. It comes complete with a fountain. You have steps on one side, a shallow end and also a deep end. On this side you also have a lounging spot, a relaxation space that has artificial lawn for minimal maintenance and an outdoor shower to the left here as well. What I also really like about the space is you can really feel like you can actually use it for multiple purposes. So let's say even if you wanted to have an additional space for relaxation on this side, you could. Now I'm going to take you around the home itself so you get a bit more of a better feel as to what the outside of the home feels like. So as you can see, the pathways lead all the way round, and at the moment we have just arrived at the rear of the property. They have lined it with local and exotic trees which make it look and feel a little bit more intimate and comforting, but this is a side terrace that you can actually also use and has a door that leads from your kitchen space out onto here. Hello. So as I come in through the front door, and the first thing that I am met with is this bright space. Next to the door you have your alarm system, and you can see that the specifications of the house are plugged in to be very contemporary with lots of switches on the walls. I'm coming in through the entry area and I'm immediately met with this beautifully contemporary, relaxing and very serene living space, which comprises of your open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. The space altogether is 37 square metres and the ceiling height is 2.6 metres. As you can see here, I'm just entering the kitchen area, and what I like about this kitchen is it's not only open plan, but they've really decided to maximise the cabinetry space that you have within it. So with the central island you have your drawers that are very, very deep. You also have within it your dishwasher, as well as your sink and more storage cabinets on this side. On the other side, you also have a full row of additional storage cabinetry. And then over here, they decided to go with a slightly different palette with integrating this natural wood for this counter space here that I can imagine you would probably have your coffee machine or any other kitchen appliance you may want. But you also have more cabinetry above and below, as well as your oven, microwave, and your integrated refrigerator and freezer. Now, I was talking about the outdoor spaces, and this I really do like. This would be the door that leads to the rear terraces of the home. And again, this is a perfect space if you're wanting to have a little breakfast nook. Now, coming into the main part of the living space here, it seamlessly leads to your dining space. This space, the table is set to dine 6, and I do love the contemporary light fixture that they have above it. But what is impactful is just the open expanse of view that you have of your garden spaces. These patio doors give you a beautiful seamless integration, if you want it, of not only your exterior terraces, but also your interior living areas. And then also you have a very relaxing and very comfortable living room. Taking you now from the living area, we're going to go back into the hall. I'm going to take you along the way, past on the wall where you will find your intercom and air conditioning system, into the first bedroom. This bedroom is 12 square meters. It is light and bright. As you can see, they have accented the rooms beautifully with LED lighting. You also have a wall of integrated wardrobes and patio doors that lead out onto the same front terrace that we saw before. Coming back along the hall, and this door here leads to a laundry room that is equipped with your washing machine and also has a window to let in natural light. And then from your storage room, you also have here the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom has a more sand-coloured palette, which is very relaxing, and as you can see, is fully equipped. Coming up the stairs to the first floor, which is again a light and bright stairwell, this first floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. Taking you into the second bedroom, it has a similar interior feel. It is 14 square meters. You have your integrated wardrobes on one side, and then you also have large windows letting in plenty of light and a doorway that leads to an ensuite bathroom that is fully equipped. Coming out of the second bedroom, this is the door that would lead to your patio terrace. And I'm going to show you actually the terrace when I show you the primary, as the two are interconnected. Now, taking you into the primary is 15 square meters. It has this really nice element of bordered wall space here with the wooden accent. It also has lots of natural light coming in. You have this space here that opens out to give you a his and her dressing closet. And then you also have along the way at the very end, the ensuite bathroom that is fully equipped. What I do like about the upstairs is that you do have this very nice terrace though to enjoy, which is very spacious if you're wanting to experience outdoor life on a slightly higher level. This gives you great views of the surrounding landscape, not only of where you are, but also beyond. You can see even as far as the mountain ranges that actually border the urbanization in which we are in. Also, it gives you a great sense of just the beautiful climate that we're experiencing. I mean, can I remind you that we're in January and it's just like this? But yes, this is a great terrace if you're wanting to do even more entertaining, outdoor lounging, dining, you name it, you can do it. Coming up the stairs to the real treat at the top of the home, we are going to the solarium. Over the way, you can see that they are busy at it, as they have just got somebody moving into the house next door. So this solarium is a fantastic opportunity, again, to enjoy outdoor life. Now, if it was me, this is where I'd have my jacuzzi. This is where I'd be experiencing the sun, the breeze, the peace and the serenity. But what can I say about this area also is that you are very close to lots of local amenities. As you can see, within walking distance, you have cafes, bars and restaurants. So it's fantastic for that. This is Playa Moncayo, just a 16-minute drive in a nearby town called Guadalmar del Segura. You get to enjoy 2 kilometers of this beautiful beach. Fine sand, beautiful clear waters, and in the warmer months you have beautiful chiringuitos here where you can get a nice cocktail or a cold beer. So stick your feet into this beautiful sand and come on in, everybody. The nitty gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €500 per year. There is no community fee and the refuse collection is €150 per year. This is a fantastic family home with the price point starting at $560,000 up to $675,000. It is fantastic in the sense that it offers you 2 floors and a solarium. The specifications are also very high in the sense that you have electric gates, electric shutters for your windows as well as blinds, LED lighting, double glazed windows, a parking space, air conditioning, hot and cold, and also underfloor heating in the bathrooms, along with much more. It's also in a fantastic area. Can I just say that Las Rojales is a sought after location, very close to Guadalmar del Segura, Oriela Costa, and also Torrevieja. You have so much recreational activities to enjoy right here on your doorstep. You are 10 minutes away from the beaches, 5 minutes away from the golf courses, and also only 20 minutes away from shopping paradise. So if you like this property and you'd like to know more, then please do go to our website to check out the finer details, which is spainhomes.estate. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.